Kids TV.
Hello kids, welcome to another edition of Fun and Learn. Hi Granny.
Hello, Granny.
What are we doing today? Today we are going to learn how to make edible and safe Play-Doh. Oh yay! I love Play-Doh. I love it. All you will need are 1 cup of flour, half a cup of salt, a little bit of edible color and water. Now let's take the flour and put it in the bowl. Then we add the salt to it. Then the color. And we mix it together. We add the water to it. And we mix again. Look at that. It's coming together. Do you like it, Sharky?
I love it. It's such a pretty green.
It's almost done. It's ready. Our green edible Play-Doh.
Yippee!
Now let's cut open this red ball of Play-Doh. Oh, there's nothing inside.
Now let's cut open the orange ball of Play-Doh. Oh! Look what's here! It's a snail!
Now shall we cut this green ball of Play-Doh? Oh, there's nothing inside. Nope.
Now let's cut open this yellow ball of Play-Doh. I see something. It's a purple dragonfly.
Oh, it's pretty. If you like this video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel.